Hello. Today we're going to be multiplying two polynomials together, and you can see in my example I have a monomial times a polynomial. And anytime that happens, all we have to do is simply distribute. Now, what that means also is you have to remember your rules for exponents. Now, when I take 3x squared times 5x, I do the 3 times the 5 first, my coefficients, and I get 15. When I take x squared times x, recall that when you multiply, you add your exponents. So an exponent of 2 times an exponent of 1 means we're going to get x to the third. Okay, then I take 3x squared times 6, and I get, when I take 3 times 6, I get 18. And then I have the x squared times no x's, so x to the second. And that's it. Let's take a look at a different one. Here we have a little bit more going on, but it's the same principle. The directions now just say simplify, but you see parentheses and you know that you need to deal with those first. Okay, and what's actually happening with the parentheses is multiplication. So once again, multiplication always comes before any sort of addition that we have. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. We'll take the x to the fourth times x. We add our exponents, 4 plus 1, we get x to the fifth. We take x to the fourth times negative 7. That means I get negative 7 times x to the fourth. And then at the end there, I still have this plus 15 x to the fourth. Okay, now we're not done yet because if you look right here and right here, we have a pair of like terms. Both of these have an x to the fourth, so we need to combine them. Now my x to the fifth is going to stay an x to the fifth, but I have negative 7x to the fourths adding to 15 x to the fourths, and so when the dust settles, we're going to have 8 left, 8x to the fourths left. Now remember, when you combine like terms, the exponent does not change, just the coefficient. And we're done.